To link your Facebook account with your cake account with your account. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first you need to open your cake application like this, and after this you have to come here to your profile, then come here on settings. Here now, guys, on settings, you will go to linked login. We found Facebook. Click turn on, and they will tell you to Facebook. You will write your information here, your email, your password. Then click log in, and after this, it will open and you link it your Facebook very easy and fast. So guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.